Okay, so we just got the headers hooked this morning, and yeah, we are gonna move these two combines today, number 8 and number 7. We're gonna take them to the truck stop, and then we're gonna load them on the combine trailers, and then I think maybe tomorrow we're gonna go to Oklahoma with these two combines and our camper. So while I'm cleaning my throat here, I saw this little guy. Hello. He's actually pretty big and scary. Check it out. Whoa! I don't know what spider this is. If anyone can tell me, please do. Okay, so this is what we got. We got a truck with a combine trailer. Then we got the combine, which I'm standing on now. Then you got the dolly. And then you got your hopper trailer. For the other truck, we got a double-headed trailer, combine on the combine trailer, on the truck. Yeah. What you got there? Shaving cream. Nice. So this morning we are moving to Oklahoma. It's a beautiful sunrise. Here's Mr. Chris just now. Sounds like I'm gonna get in that pickup. Jumbo is in this pickup. What's this fool doing? Pela kare? Okay, so I don't really have a lot of battery, so I might not be able to film the whole day, but just a quick little video in the car. We just left out of Merkel. We left about 7 minutes past 7. Let's just say 7 o'clock. And yeah, I'm driving in this black Denali. Jumbo's got the Ford F250, the black pickup, with a camper in front of us. In front of him is Flippy and Eric with a combine and double headers. In front of Flippy, Eugene and JP is driving with a combine and a hopper. So yeah, that's our convoy for the day. Yeah, we've got a nice outfit on today. Because I'm not gonna get dirty, so I could put on something nice. And yeah. Alright, we're in Warika. We just stopped for lunch real quick, and yeah, we're gonna head on. Unfortunately, I parked very far at the old back, so let me walk.
We've now got two convoys passing each other. It is our convoy, the combine convoy, and then the military. They've got some equipment that they are transporting. And we're trying to pass them now, but we're struggling. Yeah. So, I don't know, you can probably not see there, but look at all these big vehicles coming past here.
Nog een oversized load wat nou voorbij Jumbo kom. Maar ek is seker hy gaan ook nie saam met die mense wil ry die hele tyd nie.
Damn. So check out this neat trick over here. I've got a can of Pepsi in front of the AC to cool it down. You see, that's my GoPro over there with its tripod mount thingy, and it is holding my Pepsi in front of the AC to cool it down. I am a true engineer. Looks like we got another harvesting crew here. I think so, I'm not sure. Check it out. That's the Google Street View car. That's cool. I'm gonna save this and see if we are on Google Street View. Look at the header trailer. So we are taking the combines closer to the fields. We are about 10 miles out of Kingfisher. Look at all this dust though. It is pretty intense. Alright, we've arrived at our destination. We arrived at about 5 o'clock. We are offloaded this combine, well, both of the combines, and we've got this one's header on. We're trying to get this one on, but it's a tight spot, and yeah, I think we're just gonna hook the truck to the hopper and head back. Right, this is our setup. We got the combines over there, a truck over there, 2 trailers, and Eugene. So we've arrived at our destination. That's where we are going to be staying. We're staying here on Mr. Larry's farm. What I like about this place is you can fish here. I actually caught a very big bass last year, right over there. This year I'm going to catch a bigger one. What you got there, Eric?
Yes, boy, one massive fish.
Massive fish. Nice. This is our alarm clock. I'm actually quite scared of it. Hello! I need the oil on the back of the pickup. It's a beautiful morning here in Oklahoma. We're currently
at the diesel pump, pumping some diesel into the trailer, the pickup and the truck.
We got a brown water snake, says Eric.
I don't know.
Ah, hy's vinnig.
Oh, look at that. First fishy. Yeah, my guy.
Lekker boys. Yes, hier is 'n moes vis ou. Sien dit sy bek sommer stukkend geruk. Check out boys. Big fish here in Kingfisher. You see?
Lekker.
See what I'm saying? This thing we're gonna eat it tonight. It's decent size. Yeah.
It's a flying fish.
Flying fish, yeah, exactly. Let's do a quick release. Buddy. Nice. Yeah.
How do you feel about that?
I'm feeling good, man. I'm feeling good.
Right, so this is the rye fields that we are cutting at the moment. Rye is almost like wheat. It's a bit longer and a bit finer. Oh, there's nothing in there. All right, it's now almost 2 o'clock. I just started my food, some chicken tenders, and Flippy just cut out a little sample for us there. It's quite cloudy above us, and there is like a little storm coming in. Yeah, I don't know. We might only be able to cut on Saturday.
Got this little guy here that I caught.
There you go, buddy. Right, second one for the day on the brush hawk. Right, I got one on the popper. What I don't like about this popper is that it's pretty hard to take the hook out. Another one on the popper. Let's release this one real quick. Come on, buddy, it ain't that bad. There you go, my guy. Off with him. There's the third one on the popper. So we are harvesting rye, you know, like bye American bye. Them good old boys were drinking whiskey with rye. Yeah, rye. That's what we are cutting at the moment.
Moisture here is about 10%, 9. There was like a little spot there in the middle where it went quite high. But the elevator doesn't take it if it's not under 12. Sounds like it. So yeah, we must keep an eye on that. But it's a nice afternoon here in Canton. That's where we are at, Canton in Oklahoma. We actually had a bit of rain, so we couldn't cut for like 2 days because this stuff was just real moist. But yeah, look at all the fans in the area. Nice. Look at that beautiful sunset. It's not setting yet, but it's beautiful, you know. It's pretty. Although I have got these glasses on, which make it look a bit different. Let me show you. You see? Oh shit. There you go. You see it's quite different in my eyes.
Just how beautiful that is. Oh yeah. Would you look at that? This makes the job much better. What's up, buddy? Alright, so this isn't looking too good. Shit. Damn! Son! This ain't right. This ain't good. I think I must start digging. Yeah, damn, look at this. Not good. In the middle of the damn night. Check how fast it fell. See, this is... Damn. Look at that. Damn. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and in the next video I'll show you how we get number 8 combine out of the mud. But for now, let's call it a night.